What's up, YouTube? Jay DeWitt 9 here. We got our one box of 2006 National Treasures. Good luck to everybody. Hopefully we get some good stuff here. Okay, checklist, of course, and our one pack. First card is Philip Rivers, base card. And it is numbered 9 of 25 for the Chargers. Next card, we have DJ Shockley autograph, and it is numbered 162 of 200 for the Falcons. Next card is Ernie Sims for the Lions, autograph rookie, numbered 21 of 52. It's a pretty sweet card. Coming up next, Dan Marino, MVP, triple game used card, 2 colors. 7 of 25. Next card, I'm not quite sure who this is. Authentic Hall of Fame. Ronnie Lott. And that is Ronnie Lott autograph there. And it is numbered 40 of 49. And this next card here looks pretty sweet. Mr. Barry Sanders. Faceplate or face mask pieces for the Lions. Card is numbered 3 of 25. And our last card here for the 49ers, Steve Young autograph, numbered 18 of 57. That's it, guys. Got a new box break going on of 2006 Upper Deck Exquisite. Join that. Thank you.